Every Bollywood actor in his or her career has gone through a phase where they have lost a lot of films. The reason behind it might be either the films got shelved or the actors move out of the films due to creative differences. Late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput is no exception. The actor had been a part of several films which never got made. Let's have a look at the films of Sushant Singh Rajput that never got made. Number 1. Pani. This was the film which Sushant Singh Rajput was supposed to do after the shooting of Shuddh Desi Romance. However, the film never happened. The film was supposed to be directed by Shekhar Kapur. Pani had been a dream project of Shekhar Kapur and he wanted to show the water crisis in India through his film. It is believed that the character name of Sushant in the film was Khora and Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma was paired opposite him. Not just this, Sushant was completely into the film and he had even started practicing for his character by losing weight for the film. Unfortunately, Pani could never happen because the producers backed out of the film at the last minute. However, after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, a lot of reports came out that the film was a high budget film and it was bankrolled by Yash Raj Films. It is also believed that many considered Sushant Singh Rajput a small-time actor then. The reports also suggest that YRF was not pleased with Sushant's casting and they were not keen to go on board with him. The sources even suggest that when the film got shelved, Sushant Singh Rajput broke down and he could not stop crying. Number 2. Emergence. The film titled Emergence was supposed to be directed by critically acclaimed director Anand Gandhi, who has earlier directed film like Ship of Theseus. Anand Gandhi is the same person who was the creative director for the film Tumbad. It is believed that Emergence was based on the outbreak of a virus wherein Sushant was supposed to play a lead role. The late actor had also taken to his social media and had posted a picture with Anand Gandhi where he talked about his upcoming film titled The Emergence. The actor and director even worked on the film script. However, after the busy schedule of Sushant, the film could not happen and Irfan Khan showed his keen interest to be a part of this film. Unfortunately, due to the ill health of Irfan Khan, the film could not happen. The report suggests that Sushant was recently offered this film and he was supposed to start shooting of this film this year, but it never happened as the actor died earlier this year on June 14, 2020. Number 3. Murlikant Petkar biopic. After leaving everyone stunned with his performance in MS Dhoni biopic, Sushant Singh Rajput was supposed to do another film based on the life of Murlikant Petkar. Murlikant ji is India's first Paralympic gold medalist and a Padma Shri awardee as well. Murlikant ji's life story is very inspiring, and in the year 1965, while fighting in the war, he got severely hurt with a bullet in his lower back. Due to the severe attack in his spine, Murlikant ji suffered from paralysis and his body was not functioning properly. Despite his severe injury, Murlikant ji did not have the attitude of giving up, and after his injury, he learned swimming, and in the year 1962 he became the first Paralympic gold medalist of the country. The late actor even met Murlikant ji and was very keen to do this film. However, with the busy schedule and his shooting of Rabta, this film could not happen. Number 4. Rifleman. Sushant Singh Rajput in his life always wanted to play an army man on screen, and for the same he had got an offer to play the role of an army man in the film Rifleman. In the year 2019, Sushant got an offer to play the role of an army man. The film was supposed to be a biopic and was based on the event of 1962 India-China war. Sushant was supposed to play the character of war hero Jaswant Singh Rawat in the film, who had in the war laid down a lot of Chinese soldiers and became a war hero by protecting his country. Sushant had even taken to his social media to announce the film Rifleman, but after the announcement, he had fallen in a controversy. The rights of Rifleman had also been taken by a production house and the shooting of the film had also commenced. Unfortunately, the producers of The Rifleman found themselves in a legal case after which the film was never made. Number 5. Homi Adjania's Next. It is believed that Sushant Singh Rajput was supposed to star in Cocktail director's Homi Adjania's film, which also featured Irfan Khan in the lead role opposite Sushant Singh Rajput. Homi had even taken to his Twitter to announce the film with Sushant Singh Rajput, to which the late actor had tweeted back that he was very lucky to share screen space with Irfan Khan. Unfortunately, both the talented actors are no more, in this world now. In the film, it is believed that Kangana Ranaut was offered the role, but due to her controversy with Hrithik Roshan, she had turned down the film. What are your thoughts about Sushant Singh Rajput's 5 films which never got made? Do let us know in the comments below. To know more such updates about Bollywood and the entertainment industry, don't forget to subscribe Bolly News Hub. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel and get all the latest updates about Bollywood right away. Thank you.